Alright, starting the video off in the Shelby. I want to give a big shout out to SPE Motorsports. Check them out below if you need any of your diesel needs, Mustang needs, Ford, stuff like that. We got their fuel rail kit, and one of the lines was giving me a little issue. It was kind of leaking a little bit, and they gladly sent out a new fuel line for me. So this thing got here pretty quick. I'll be headed to Charlie's shop right now and get this thing swapped out and replaced. And then on top of that, they gave me an airhead, man. I appreciate whoever put that in the bag, man. It got me a little airhead in here, so that's pretty dope. Damn. All right, we are here. Time to get this thing situated, man. Hey.
What's that for? Fire stick.
This top line right here has a small, as you guys can see right there, fuel coming out of it. So that's why we got the new line to replace it, because we don't need any fuel coming out of there, as you guys can see. So we're gonna try to get that replaced, because that is, I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not good. It's still sweating some fuel. So definitely got to get that replaced.
Yeah, we always had a little issue with fuel.
Yeah, for real.
Yep.
The V was like the main one. The injectors at one time.
Yep. Kind of replaced. But I think on the finish was actually the seals. It wasn't the way in.
Yeah, it was kind of headache with that thing. Who wants one? Really? Oh, he want a V?
No, I was telling him to get a V because he's shopping for a car.
Oh yeah, that's too much power for him, man.
Hey, he's just Honda's over there, so.
Shit. Who driving this?
Which is the bike?
Yeah.
That's me, bro.
Oh.
I make my errands, bro. I'm gonna charge my neighbors on that with the little fucking scanner.
Yeah.
That's my dad's fuck.
I saw it. I was like, oh, it's electric.
Man, that's why he got it. I was like, man, I'm gonna go bike it, but I gotta get myself electric. So fucking quick.
That's kind of clean though. I like that. Man, it's been like maybe a 2-hour mess around with this thing.
Start making some pulls. Make sure that all the fuel burns it all off.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You want to have some fuel somewhere around there. Ooh.
It was smoking up, so you think it should burn off pretty good?
Yeah, it should give it about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes should be more than enough.
But yeah, man, it's took us quite a while, man. That fuel line was not letting me make it. It kept leaking. So I went to Summit Racing and I picked up these, I think they're called conceal seals. Let me double check for you. Conical seals, sorry. Conical seals, and I put them on the end of the AN fittings, and so far we don't have any leaks. So hopefully these have saved the day. But man, that fuel line was giving me hell. But hopefully that'll save it. We're gonna let it run, burn off all the extra E85 that kept falling out. And then we're gonna test it real quick, do a hit, and then I'm gonna double check it again, make sure everything's good, and then we should be good to put the strut tower back and good to go from there. All right, we're gonna try to get a quick test in real quick.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Hey, I told you this thing's a demon, boy. You gotta know how to drive, man. Controlling that with one hand. Trying to feel for y'all, man. Sheesh, this thing's no joke, man. No joke at all. line real quick. Make sure ain't no fuel come out of there. From the looks of it right now, we should be golden, man. I don't see any leaks. I don't see anything coming out right now. We did a pretty good little hit. So, praying, let's keep our hands together and pray that that's fixed it, man. Hopefully that did, because these are brand new lines. There should be no leaks. Brand new products, man. So, appreciate SPE for getting back to me, getting me these lines and everything. This is their fuel rail kit, so hopefully everything goes well. Take the little bro for a little ride in the Shelby, man. He's always want to go for a ride, and he built the car on the game. Finally gonna get the ride in the car, man. So I'm just giving him your impression of the car. Make sure it's face towards you.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Yeah. Like that, huh? Yeah. There you go. Appreciate the support from you guys and following the Shelby build. One slight issue where I think it's the throttle body acting up a little bit. So I'm kind of checking that out because it was kind of intermittent. It would like happen and then sometimes it won't happen and then it would just clear itself up. So that's the only thing that I need to be checking. Otherwise, the car seems to be doing great. Probably going to do 2.0 wrap. I'm going to wrap it a different color. I got a color in mind. I just haven't necessarily settled on it 100% yet. So I'm still like really debating. I do love the red, but I want to protect that paint. I'd like to keep my car covered up because every time I'm in that car, bugs are always hitting the front. People throwing rocks up, you know, like, and I barely drive the car, so I just want to keep it protected. Leave a like, share the video, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Peace out.